so now we are continuing. We just came over there and took a look at those trains. If y'all want to see another video. So this is the south end of the train station. Okay. And over here is historic 25th Street, or is it 24th Street? Let's see. Yeah. I'll have you guys take a look at that. Okay. It is historic 25th Street from back in the day. Alright, so that's historic 25th Street. Back in the day, this was full of bars and brothels and, oh yeah, Brigham didn't like that all too much. But that's the historic, as you can see, 25th Street. Alright, on to the next. Alright. Now there's a gorgeous building right there. Union Station. I'll be doing a tour on the inside as well, folks. These are the surrounding grounds. Of course, you know, it is winter, so they're not going to have the fountains and all of that, but it looks like here they give a little bit of information in regards to the museums they have here. I'll be doing a video on that as well. Alright, but my favorite thing here is right down here at the end. I don't know if you can see those bars. Just some plaques here, you know, a lot of the history. All right, there's those bad boys. All right, folks. Boom. There they are. Oh, I love these engines. I can never get sick of them. They are so tough. And pardon my French, but they are badass. I don't care what anyone says. Just saying. All right, so let's go. I'm gonna walk in between. Oh, there's kind of snow here, so I gotta be careful. So this one is Union Pacific Steam Locomotive 833. So I'm going to walk between this one and this yellow bad boy, which is Union Pacific DDA40X, Locomotive 6916. We have fighter pilots. Oh man, I hope I can get that. I don't know if you can see that jet, but they're the F-22s or the F-35s, I can't remember, that we have out here, and I love them. Okay. Here we go. Look at this. This is amazing. Oh, these are so cool. Oh. What man can do, right? Okay, this is my height, my eye level. This is what I see, and I'm about 5'5". Now, I mean, Shut up. Look at the wheels on this thing. Incredible, right? Just enjoy. Seriously. I mean, dang. Peeps, what the? Just the making of this is incredible. And of course, y'all see our regular engines. Y'all kind of know. It's these older ones that just fascinate me to no end. Incredible. Just the hard work and labor that went into this. Fascinating. Simply fascinating. Okay, so there's where we just came from. And we got a car here. I'm not sure what this one is. It really doesn't say. Oh, maybe this one carried peeps. Oh, they have the blinders down there. Oh, this is medical. Look at this. So medical department. So this was a medical unit. And I really can't get up to the glass. United States mail here for the post office. I'm looking through the windows, and because of all the grime and stuff, you really can't see it, which is a shame. Yeah. That's this car here. So this was a medical car. Let me just see if I can look in. Okay, you can kind of see, I don't know how good the camera will show it, but there's also some beds in there. If it'll focus, it's trying to, but it's kind of tough. Well, there's a little view anyway, right? Okay, let's start the next couple. I'm walking down between these, and I wasn't going to film it, but to be honest with you, this is so ridiculous. It's like, how can... Oh, man. Seriously amazing. Look at all of this. Good grief. Amazing. The technology that we've had, even back in the day. Now, is that a sight for sore eyes? I just love these things. All right, told you on to the next. That's where we're going. Okay, this bad boy is next. Yellow and black. Looks pretty tough, just saying. Here we go. And this is the other one here. I am going to be walking between. So engine 7457 and 5371. Okay, I'm gonna pause you guys for a second, get through this ice. Okay, here we are. Oh, I would just love to climb up on there, but I don't want to get in trouble. Right. Gotta preserve these. All right. Southern Pacific. Rio Grande. I still think that yellow and black is just tough. Little Caboose. Another engine. Oh, it's tempting, folks. I know you want to see on the inside, but I don't want to mess anything up, so got some Union Pacific Caboose here. The brain of the train. Brain of the train. I don't know. This one might be the one behind me. Not sure. Okay, we had this when the Olympics were here. 2002 we had them. It was awesome. It's pretty cool. You gotta love that. Cool, huh? And then on the other side is an old, and I do mean old, beat up Caboose. Just barely hanging on here. Well, apparently it's sitting on this thing that moves train wrecks and stuff. But it looks like we're using it to keep this. Hey, you never know. They have another bid wanting to come back. We may be able to use it again, right? U.S. Air Force. Locomotives 72, 77. Well, this is the Caboose here. And I'm thinking they're meaning this old blue one here. Built sometime in 1940 to 1950, length 45 feet. Engine 660 horsepower, fuel capacity 630 gallons of diesel. So this is the Air Force one. Oh, here's the little Army one. Yep, Air Force. You can see that. All right. So we're gonna go right back down where we came from, and I'll catch you on the next video.